So on today's video, we are going to do something super fun, and that is we're going to make a baked Alaska using the Ninja Creami. So if you don't know what baked Alaska is, it's ice cream on top of a cake base covered in meringue, and then the whole thing's put in the oven, and the meringue is cooked that way, but without the ice cream melting inside. It's quite a cool kind of dessert. I mean, it's straight out the 70s. You gotta love it for that. And it's quite a unique dessert as well. So I thought I'd give this one a bash here on YouTube. So what are we gonna need? So for the ice cream base, we are gonna start with 380 grams of milk. And in here we have 3 grams of nutmeg, 3 grams of cinnamon, and 1 gram of guar gum. In here we have 55 grams of skim milk powder. And here we have 40 grams of dark brown sugar and 90 grams of white sugar. And that's just for the ice cream base. The rest we will do after they've frozen. So we're gonna do this again nice and easy because it's Ninja Creami. We're gonna take our spices and our guar gum. The spices are because it's Christmas time, so we're gonna make this kind of eggnog flavored vanilla ice cream. So let's just mix up our stabilizer and our spices, pop it in there with the sugar, give that a little stir, put all of that into our milk, along with our milk powder, and stir all that together. So we're now gonna pop that in the microwave and warm this up. We're gonna do it in 2 stages. We can do it for 1 minute and then probably 30 seconds after that. 1 minute in, and that is just to start adding enough heat to dissolve the sugars. Just get that stirred together, make sure that's completely combined. How is the temperature? It's fine. There's no sugar crystals left in the bottom of that liquid. That's all dissolved, so we actually don't need to go in for another 30 seconds. But what we do need to do is add our final ingredient, which is, or one of our last 2 final ingredients, and that is 430 grams of whipping cream, 33%. We are going to put in 2 teaspoons of our homemade vanilla bean paste. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put a link in the description below. This is really easy to make and tastes incredible. Stir that together one more time. This is the world's worst pouring jug, so I'm going to do it over the sink. And there is our ice cream. So we're going to put that in the freezer overnight, let that harden off, and we will come back to do the whole assembly. So baked Alaska is quite a timely thing to make because you're supposed to make the ice cream, you're supposed to mold it into a bowl, you know, all the shape, and then put it back in the freezer overnight to harden off. I want to try it without doing that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the oven on 450 Fahrenheit, nice and hot, shelf down as low as it will go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare our meringue first. So we've got what we need here. Let's get 3 egg whites into this bowl. Egg whites in, balloon whisk on. Let's get these spinning. And whilst the egg whites are whipping, we're going to take cream of tartar, and we're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of that and put that in 100 grams of white sugar. Stir it together, and we're going to start adding it into our egg whites bit by bit, just to allow it to completely dissolve. And we're going to take a piping bag with a round nozzle, get it in a cup or a glass or a stand, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to your meringue until it looks like this. It's glorious. Now's the time to get our Ninja Creami ice cream out of the freezer. We're going to spin it on the ice cream setting in case you want to ask. It's the same as the gelato setting. Whilst that's spinning, because you know it takes a while, we're going to take a baking pan, get some parchment paper on there, and take some store-bought cake. This is marble cake that I got from Safeway this morning. I have no idea what it tastes like, but we're going to take 2 pieces of that and place it onto the baking pan. We're going to join them with a little piece of our meringue and spread the meringue over the top of the cake. Finally, we're going to load up our piping bag. Right, so there's less sugar in this ice cream because I don't want it to go super soft. Some of this onto here. We're doing a double ball. There we go, thank you. There we go. Well, our oven is up to temperature. I'm actually quite pleased with the Ninja Creami ice cream, so let's get some of this on. Gotta make sure that all the little gaps are covered. We don't want that heat getting in there anywhere. Make sure there's no holes. All right, so with our oven up to temperature, let's get this in for about 5 minutes and then we'll see how it looks. Keep your fingers crossed. We've got 30 seconds. It's browning nicely. We're gonna get everything ready to get this out on the top, get it on here and see how it turned out. Lift this out like that. Get this pan out of the way. Oh, we made it. We made it. We got it out of, let's get rid of that. We got it out of the oven. Baked Alaska, straight out of a Ninja Creami. Do this with any flavor ice cream you like. Add flavorings to the meringue if you want to as well. I just use vanilla extract as you saw. I want to kind of cut this open. Nice. The ice cream is still got wonderful body to it. It's not melted. It's, yeah. Ninja Creami Baked Alaska with an eggnog flavored ice cream inside, vanilla flavored meringue on top. Super glad this one works out. Hope you give this one a try. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more Ninja Creami recipes and how to do weird things with Ninja Creamis. And I will see you next time.